Hello, I'm Bernie with Air Dynamics HVAC, and today we're breaking down whether an air scrubber is worth installing in your HVAC system. First off, what is an air scrubber? In simple terms, it's a device that attaches to your HVAC system and works to reduce dust, allergens, mold spores, and even some airborne viruses and bacteria. Now the big question, do they actually work? Yes, they do improve air quality, but there are some exceptions. If your house smells like a gym locker room and you expect an air scrubber to fix it overnight, you're going to be disappointed. But when it comes to reducing pet dander, smoke, and general airborne pollutants, air scrubbers can be an excellent solution. So let's talk price. A professionally installed air scrubber can run you anywhere from $600 to $1,500, depending on the brand and install fees. Usually maintenance cost is low, typically a bulb change every couple years, and maybe some cell changes during that time as well. Is that pricey? Sure, but compared to running multiple air purifiers in every single room, that cost adds up really fast. If you have pets, allergies, asthma, or just hate dust, an air scrubber might be a smart investment. It's not a miracle worker, but it can make a noticeable difference in the air that you breathe in your home. So if you're looking for cleaner air, or suffer from allergies, or have pets, they're definitely worth considering. But if you're healthy, low maintenance, and already breathe easy, it might be a waste for you. If you have any questions about using air scrubbers, you can give us a call or visit airdynamicscares.com.